Hello again, it's Noob, and I thought to do a little midweek updates, a couple of things I wanted to tell you about and show off. So first up is a package from Wayne sent to my PO box, and some amazing stuff in this, all with keys. So first thing is this absolutely gorgeous ASIC padlock, and it takes a Euro cylinder. But what a Euro cylinder! Look at this, it's a GG by Cabba P Extra. And just look at the bitting on that. But absolutely love it. I love the lock, and I especially love this lock body. It's really lovely. What else do we have? Well, he sent me a bunch of these, which are really cool. And some of you may not know what these are. And these are extremely small pin cylinders. And the idea is that if you find an appropriate gauge mortise lever lock, there you go, then you'd insert that into the keyway, and then you would do that, pull the key out, and then that would be locked in the keyway and stop somebody from inserting a key. So maybe you're a landlord who had evicted a tenant and wanted to stop them getting back in, or something like that. These are basically mortise lever lock blockers. Very cool indeed. I don't see many of them about actually, but I really like those. Just love these like really unusual cool locks. He sent me a smiley dimple lock, a world ball, unique world ball nonetheless. And last but no means least, we have a little Squire number 1. There you go, standing for Service, Strength and Security. Made like tons of wonderful locks in Willenhall. And this is lock number 1, key 214. I thought I'd have a go at picking this actually. It does have a little key. Let's give it an open. There you go. And I think that these little tabs were peened over, but obviously they're a little bit worn, so they, can you see? It doesn't split open or anything, but yeah, it's a little flex in there. So a bit of top of the keyway tension if I can, and go in. It's only a little 4-pin lock, this one, bless its heart. I think that one, that one. And let's have a look. So go on to pin 1. Oh, there we are, we're open. So little cute little 4-pin lock, all standard pins. Very sweet indeed. What else? Ah, yes, my 50,000 subscriber giveaway is now over. That was sponsored very kindly by Vent and ZFX, who are giving away a set of lockpicks and some really awesome little pin badges. And I can say that that 3 winners have responded to the having won, so don't need to redraw anymore. And the winners are Andy and William from the UK, and Lesperge from France. So 3 European winners, which is kind of cool. Whenever I do a competition, it's usually people in the US that win. I've got no favourites. It's all right, but it's just the way it is. So well done, Andy, William, and Lesperge. Thank you to everybody who did join in that giveaway. If I can ever have some more sponsor giveaways soon, then I'll let you know. And finally, it's a very short video. I've just been making lots of lock picks recently. I just thought I'd show some of these off. So this is nice shine on the old pick there. So this is made from. The problem is, look at this. See, when you polish it, you see all the fingerprints. This is made from an acrylic pen blank, and the steel is some Max Yield 301. So it's incredibly strong stuff. It really is, and that's just pinned with brass pins. I just love the colours and shine and iridescence in here. Love that one. Next up is something which I just made recently, which is made out of some PCB board. It's some RAM from an old PC that I had, and I kept it to one side thinking that could make a nice pick handle. I'm pretty certain that this isn't something I came up with. I'm sure that other people have made lockpick handles out of PCB. Oh, see, it's another fingerprint. See, just can't get rid of them, can you? Anyway, very shiny again. This is actually made from Law Lock Tools offcuts. So this is a high yield 301 stainless, and it's really nice. And there's no sharp edges. You've got to be careful with this stuff because it can have very, very sharp edges. You've got to make sure it's well sanded. And obviously wear a mask in a ventilated area if you work on this. I don't know what it's made of, but I don't want to be breathing in the dust, that's for sure. And I just really like that kind of circuitry on there, just really liked it. And you know, I made sure I shone up the top as well as the pick shank as well. And it's surprisingly comfortable, there's no sharp edges, and it's very tough, like really tough. It doesn't flex. I thought to have some flex to it, but nope, it's absolutely solid, but sort of really cool, nice little talking point. And last but not least is this, so this is rosewood and resin. So I cast resin down into a channel with the rosewood and made that pick. So absolutely love this one. It's got a kind of machete style knife-like handle. I like its very sleek, linear look, and yeah, it just really worked out brilliantly, and so thin as well. If you look at that, really thin. Had to polish the center of the pick so that it sort of shone from behind. Really love it. Anyway, just as I was filming this video, the doorbell went, and another package actually came in. So I guess we'll open this up. This is another package. I think I know who this is from. If it's what's inside is what I think it is, then I'll say who it is for anonymity's sake. And I am opening it upside down because there's so many like labels and names and things on the other side. Oh wow, that's definitely packaged up, isn't it? Okay, so oh, I have spillage. I'll put those back in this little velvet bag and see if there's anything else in there. I think the egg boxes, which are, by the way, a really good packaging material. I never thought of that. And there's a note in here which I'll just have a quick look at. Right, so this is from somebody on YouTube called who commented on YouTube, called Al Gur, and he said about these US set locks. Now that's really cool. These are made by Waterbury. Now I actually have another type made by Eagle, and so they must have changed manufacturers. And these are US military locks, but very, very different keyways. So I did a video of this recently. Just compare the keyways as well. Very, very different types of lock there. Very, very awesome. So it's very cool, sort of having two similar all brass locks, but actually very different because they're complete different manufacturers, different pinning inside. Who knows what's in there? But so cool. Love it. Absolutely love it. What else do we have? What else do we have? Oh, two with, again, different bitting. Oh, the bitting on that looks fun, doesn't it? Look at that high number. 3 pin out of 5. Very nice. Love these little locks. So cute. Don't see those in the UK. And a mystery lock at the back. One of those beautiful old Yales. Yeah, these can be, depending on what they're like on the inside, can be quite hard to pick. But they have pins here, and to release the shackle, the whole the actuator at the back actually is the thing which releases the shackle. I think, or is it the other way around? I can't remember. I think it is. Then you lift it up and spin it around. It's been a while since I picked one of these, but that's really awesome. Absolutely love it. So that's another awesome little package there. So thank you so much to Alger for sending these to me, especially these little brass Waterbury locks. I've never seen one of those before. Really haven't. They just look awesome. Right. So thank you all for watching. Thank you to Wayne for the locks. Thank you to Alga for the locks. Congratulations to Andy, William and Lesperge for winning the Lock Noob 50,000 subscriber giveaway. And of course, thank you to Vent or Zeofix for supplying or sponsoring the giveaway. That's really, really kind of you. And to everybody watching, thank you, and I'll see you all next time.